I have never, ever, ever done this before. So I'm actually prepping the kitchen because I'm making a cook video, and this is something, as I said, I've never, ever, ever, ever done before. Like prepping, putting my stuff out, because I hate doing that. But after I season it up, I'm gonna put them away because I hate seeing stuff on my countertop. Anyways, this is fresh river fish. There's a video I made that you saw when I bought this. So my guest that's here, they do not eat seafood. This is seafood mix, and I wash it, clean it up, have it in here. So I'm gonna season them up. And if what's called it, white yardie ever see how I cook, he's gonna say I'm not a Jamaican and blast me for the canned beans and the coconut powder. Sorry, and no Jamaican seasoning. Sorry, white yardie, if anyone should ever show you this video, I apologize, but this is what I use. This is not the rice, this is just the bottle. I use basmati rice, but not this type of basmati. I use the other basmati in the red package with the lady. But yeah, I'm gonna cut up this season this up, and get my cooking stuff ready. This one's gotta go. Okay. So guys, I have a little autism thingy just on the spectrum. So as you can see, I always have this Bluetooth in my ears. It's music playing. Sometimes it hook up to the phone, sometimes it hook up to the laptop, the tablet. Now it's hooked up to the tablet. So while I'm cooking, I'm watching Pimple Popper. As you notice, most of my videos, I multitask a lot or do three things. It makes me calm. When I drive, my music in my ears make me calm and concentrate. So anyways, back to my, I cut up the vegetables, put in here. Now I'm gonna put the powder seasoning. Then I'm gonna make my rice and peas. And this one is gonna use on the mixed seafood. So I am not a chef, I'm not a cook. You know how pepper spoil easily in your fridge or whatever, I don't know. I blend it up in here, pepper, onion, with vinegar. So this is it. So this is small, this little dish. So I'll transfer it into a bigger dish. So here we go. 3 pieces of fish. Only had 3 pieces left over from the fish that I bought the other day. Still having my cup of coffee from this morning. So my garlic salt. So I'm opening it up rather than use a little sieve. Adobo. Small spout. Black pepper, sea curry. I'm currying seafood. turmeric. I use turmeric more than the curry because I bought them the same time, and look at that. Ah. 3. That's what curry does, make you sneeze. Oh, allspice. Hot pepper. I am not a fan of pepper. I hate pepper. Pepper is spicy. Spicy just a little bit because I'm eating this one. Oh. Y'all don't judge me, don't curse me out. This is all I cook. So I'm gonna use the spoon for the mixed vegetables, the spatula for this one. I have no okra. Did not buy okra yesterday because I just didn't buy okra yesterday because nothing. This is for my rice and peas. This is for that thing. And this is for the fish. Just a little bit. The butter. So I said I use Irish butter. What's the name of the Irish butter? Kerrygold Irish butter. I just bought a new pot yesterday, so. And I have the thingy over there, and yes. This one will go in here and it will steam. It will make it steam. And this one, just the mixed vegetables. Oh, that's in the way. So I will let those steam, and then oh, where's the scissors? I am doing the rice and peas. My way of cooking it, I hate being in the, oh, I forgot. I don't like being in the kitchen too long. I am not a kitchen person, and I hate being in the kitchen for too long because I will burn the food. Because I forgot that I'm cooking. So that's why for me, when I'm cooking, I cook for half an hour, the longest 45 minutes, because I hate being in the kitchen. So I run out of scallion and thyme, so I won't have that. So you might thinking, why didn't she do all of that? I don't have any. Okay. So that's that. That one won't light. Sometimes it won't light. So I washed up. Things are clean. This is for the mixed seafood, and this is for the fish for my guest. So checking it for the first time. Does not look okay. So I don't normally, you don't turn them, you just make sure they don't get stick, and you know, you just let it steam and turn down the stove if I know which burner it is. Okay, I found it, so I turned that down. Turn on the front one as well. This one. Woo. Okay. So I wasn't paying attention to that. Boiled over on my stove, and I mess up. Okay. So this, and grab this one. So these are what I used to eat, and these are what I used to cook with, a different set. Weird. Oh, have you ever seen that? So yeah, they normally be done like that. Spice person, so I don't cook with spice. Look at the mess that got done. Okie dokie. So this is what it looks like. Stove just turned off. Still have a little bubble in it. That one's turned off for a while. That's ready. This is ready. This tastes good. Taste that. I don't like what that tastes. That tastes weird, but that's mine. So I don't know what went wrong with that one. You know what? With the mix thing, you see these things? Those change the flavor. And this, all right, I don't know what is this in the mixed vegetable. So it has this flavor. That's what gives it the flavor. And I don't like how that tastes. But apart from that, everything else come out good. But Truth be told, this is the second time I'm using this type of seafood mix. This brand. Maybe it's me. But when I use Rainforest, it tastes better. But that particular brand, I don't know. Don't know if the seafood have anything to do with it or me. But apart from that, it's good. It is good. So dinner is finished. I have the vegetables to cut up. But we had late breakfast. So I'm not eating until 5 o'clock. Oh, I don't have on my watch. I don't know the time. When I started cooking, it was a little bit after 3. And that take long to cook. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna shower now and relax a little bit. Turn off my light. And yeah, so that's dinner. That's what it's looked like. And guys, thank you for watching my video. Just trying to make content here. And yeah, no, I'm gonna make sure the door is locked before I go shower. Just a security precaution. But thank you for watching my videos. Please comment nicely. Don't be rude. And please subscribe and share my video. Thank you for the 301 subscribers. I can't wait to reach 500 to celebrate, then 1,000 to celebrate. Just like I celebrate my birthdays every 5, like 40, 45, 35, 30, 25, 20. That's how I celebrate my birthday. So I'm going to celebrate my YouTube thingy 500, 1,000, 1,500. Thank you so much for the 301 subscriber. Please share my videos with friends and family. Tell them there's this corny girl, not that funny, but funny in her own way. Watch her video and subscribe. Just say that to family members. Thank you so much. Happy Easter Sunday. Love you all. Bye bye. I know what you wanted.